dairy farming is undergoing a technological revolution, with artificial intelligence playing a crucial role in improving productivity and efficiency. Among various AI technologies, convolutional neural networks are transforming the way dairy farms operate by enabling advanced image recognition, disease detection, and automated monitoring. CNNs, originally developed for analyzing visual data, are now being used to track cow health, optimize milk production, and improve overall farm management. By integrating CNN-based solutions, dairy farmers can ensure better animal welfare, reduce costs, and maximize profitability. Several countries have embraced CNN technology in their dairy sectors, with developed nations leading the way in implementing AI-driven solutions. The United States, the Netherlands, Canada, Australia, and China are at the forefront of using CNNs for automated cattle monitoring, disease detection, and milk yield optimization. These nations leverage AI-powered cameras and deep learning models to analyze cow behavior, detect health issues like mastitis, and improve reproductive management. In contrast, tropical countries are gradually integrating CNN-based solutions to tackle region-specific challenges such as heat stress and disease prevalence. India, Brazil, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and Indonesia are exploring AI-driven dairy farming models to enhance productivity and ensure sustainable dairy operations. The adoption of CNNs in tropical regions is particularly important, as these nations often rely on smallholder farmers who face challenges like high temperatures, limited access to veterinary care, and fluctuating milk production. The potential applications of CNNs in dairy farming are vast, with the technology being used to improve animal health, farm efficiency, and milk quality. CNNs can analyze images of cows to identify early signs of diseases such as mastitis, lameness, and skin infections. AI-powered cameras installed in barns continuously monitor cows, detecting abnormalities in real time, allowing for early intervention and reducing veterinary costs. Understanding cow behavior is essential for maintaining herd health. CNNs help detect heat cycles, abnormal movements, and signs of stress, allowing farmers to make informed breeding and management decisions. This leads to improved reproductive success and better overall animal welfare. By analyzing data from sensors and cameras, CNNs can track individual cow milk production, identify performance trends, and suggest feed adjustments to maximize milk output. This helps dairy farmers maintain consistent production levels and ensure high-quality milk. Traditional ear tag identification is being replaced by CNN-based facial recognition, allowing farmers to track individual cows seamlessly. AI-powered systems automatically record cow movement, feeding patterns, and health status, eliminating the need for manual record keeping. In tropical climates, heat stress is a significant challenge for dairy farming. CNN-powered thermal imaging cameras detect signs of overheating in cows, automatically triggering cooling systems such as sprinklers and fans. This reduces heat stress, improving both animal comfort and milk yield. CNNs are also being used to analyze pasture quality and optimize feeding strategies. Drones equipped with AI-powered cameras assess the health of grazing lands, ensuring cows receive adequate nutrition. The integration of CNNs in dairy farming brings numerous benefits to farmers, animals, and the overall industry. One of the biggest advantages is early disease detection, which allows for timely treatment, reducing veterinary costs and minimizing milk production losses. Automated monitoring of cow health, estrus cycles, and behavior enhances farm efficiency and reproductive management. CNNs also play a vital role in improving labor efficiency, as AI-powered systems replace manual tasks such as cow tracking and disease detection, reducing workload for farmers. Moreover, CNNs enable data-driven decision-making, giving farmers access to real-time insights about their herd. This helps in optimizing feeding strategies, improving milk quality, and ensuring better animal welfare. For large dairy farms, CNN-powered solutions lead to increased profitability, while for smallholder farmers in tropical countries, they provide affordable, scalable solutions to boost dairy productivity. Despite the promising benefits, several challenges must be addressed before CNNs can be widely adopted in dairy farming. One of the primary concerns is the high initial cost of implementing AI-powered monitoring systems, which may be difficult for smallholder farmers to afford. Additionally, using CNNs effectively requires technical expertise, and many farmers may need training to operate AI-driven solutions. Another challenge is the availability of high-quality data, as CNNs require large datasets for accurate predictions. In many tropical countries, limited internet connectivity and power supply in rural areas create obstacles for AI integration. Furthermore, CNN models must be customized to adapt to tropical dairy farming conditions, such as heat stress and disease prevalence. Ethical concerns have also been raised, with some farmers fearing that AI may replace traditional knowledge and human labor, leading to reduced employment opportunities. However, experts argue that AI is meant to complement human expertise, not replace it. The future of dairy farming will be shaped by AI and deep learning technologies, with CNNs playing a key role in precision dairy farming. In the coming years, CNNs will be integrated with IoT sensors, drones, and blockchain technology to provide a fully automated and data-driven approach to dairy management. This will allow farmers to track milk purity, cow health, and pasture conditions more effectively than ever before. Moreover, CNNs will support climate-smart dairy farming, helping farmers predict and mitigate the effects of climate change on milk production. AI-based early warning systems will detect heat waves, extreme weather conditions, and disease outbreaks, allowing farmers to take preventive measures in advance. As AI technology advances, affordable CNN-based solutions will become available to smallholder farmers in developing nations, enabling them to increase milk yield, reduce losses, and improve farm sustainability. Innovations such as mobile apps powered by CNNs will allow farmers to upload photos of their cows for instant health assessments, providing accessible, AI-driven veterinary support. For dairy farmers, the adoption of CNN-based AI solutions will transform their daily operations, profitability, and efficiency. Automated health monitoring will reduce dependency on manual labor, while precision feeding strategies will help optimize nutrition for better milk production. Disease prediction models will help farmers take preventive action, ensuring healthier herds and lower veterinary expenses. Additionally, climate resilience strategies powered by CNNs will safeguard dairy farming in regions prone to extreme weather, while data-driven decision-making tools will empower farmers with real-time insights to improve herd management. As AI technology becomes more affordable and widely accessible, both large-scale and smallholder dairy farmers will benefit from enhanced productivity, profitability, and sustainability. The use of convolutional neural networks in dairy farming is revolutionizing the industry, offering advanced monitoring, disease detection, and yield optimization. While developed nations have already adopted CNN-powered solutions, tropical countries are beginning to explore their potential. Although challenges exist such as high costs, technical complexity, and infrastructure limitations, the long-term benefits of CNN integration far outweigh these obstacles. As AI continues to evolve, CNN-driven innovations will become more accessible, ensuring sustainable, profitable, and climate-resilient dairy farming for the future. Whether through automated health monitoring, precision feeding, or climate-smart strategies, CNNs will undoubtedly play a vital role in supporting dairy farmers worldwide, helping them thrive in an ever-changing agricultural landscape.